If you guys want to see how I made this quick and simple whipped shea butter with only 3 major ingredients, stay tuned. So these are all the ingredients. The essential oils are definitely optional, and if you need anything that you see here except for the mixer and the bowl, I definitely have it on my Amazon shop list. So feel free to look at that because I am an Amazon influencer, and I also got the fractionated coconut oil from Walmart as well with the bowl and the mixer. Start off by getting a pot and boiling some water so you have the heat conductor. So while that's heating up, we're gonna prep our shea butter. We're gonna put about 1 cup and 3/4 of the shea butter. Make sure to not melt it beforehand. That messes with the consistency of it once everything does boil down. Try your best to get the amount. That's why I said at least, especially the microwave. Please do not put the shea butter in the microwave because that will definitely mess up the chemistry of it. And when you mix it with the coconut oil, it's not gonna work, okay? So do not forget that. And next, we're going to use the fractionated oil. Make sure it's fractionated and not the regular coconut oil because the consistency does matter. You need to make sure it's at its liquefied form, whether it's hot and whether it's cold and whether it doesn't matter, okay? Make sure. As far as measurements, I used 1 cup and 1/4 of the oil. Now we're going to do like a double boiler effect. You put your glass mixing bowl into the boiling water and you just let it melt, stirring it occasionally. I gave you guys a little sped up version of it because I like watching it actually melt at a fast pace. It looks pretty cool, but yeah. After that, remove it from the heat and let it cool until it's room temp. Once cool, put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours for it to chill. It should look like this when it's done. And then you go in with the mixing bowl. Well, mixer. Why did I say mixing bowl? You go in with the mixer and you get it mixed up all good and creamy. Like, it should be like a fluffy consistency. Now you put 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil into your mixture and mix it up. Mix it up really, really well. Anytime you add something to this mixture, mix it well. Mix it well, girls. Mix it well. And boys, if you're watching too, because we all want to feel good, you know? So yeah, mix it well. Now this part is a bonus. You basically are done, but you see me putting the mixture in 2 different mason jars because I want a certain scent for each one. I have a morning scent and a night scent with the different essential oils. So that's why I'm putting them in the separate mason jars, just to separate them so I get the right amount of essential oil in each batch, if that makes sense. I don't want to, put the same thing on the same thing. Well, put the same thing on different mixtures, if that makes sense. So now I'm taking my first mason jar. I don't have to clean the bowl, of course, because I didn't put any mixture into anything yet. So I'm taking the first one and trying to get as much out of it as possible because I want all my shea butter to be evenly, coated with this essential oil. But I did as much as I could. And yeah, I'm about to add my essential oils. So for my morning one, I'm using tangerine and peppermint. I just put a 1/2 tablespoon of each in the mixture and then I mix it up. So for this, I would advise you guys to not scoop it in the way I did it. I didn't have a bag and it was literally like 5 o'clock in the morning when I was doing this. So I didn't have a piping bag or a baggie. So I had to do what I had to do. And that's why you don't see that really pretty whipped effect because I couldn't, pipe it in there. But it still did the job. And once it cools and hardens, it's still going to be the same consistency as it normally would. So yeah, this is me just being resourceful with what I got. So now I come back with all the clean products because I don't want any of the essential oils mixing. And I do the same steps, but this time I'm using peppermint and lavender for my nighttime cream. You guys, lavender literally puts me straight to sleep, so I definitely put a little more than half a teaspoon in there. So yeah, definitely be on the lookout for that. And not teaspoon, I meant tablespoon. But yeah. And now we are done. I'm just labeling them so I can make sure that I don't mix them up, even though the smells are completely different. But so I put tape on it because, of course, we reuse everything around here. And if I run out of mason jars, which I probably won't because I bought a lot of mason jars. But if I run out of mason jars, I definitely can just reuse these, just wash them out thoroughly. And yeah, put the tape on there, and then I go in with the Sharpie. I named these really unique and pretty names. Like, they're so cute. The first one is Burst of Mint because, burst just reminds me of like morning, like bursting of energy and bursting into the morning. So I named that Burst of Mint. Like, cool. I know. And the second one, I named it Mint to Sleep because, you get it like mint because peppermint. But yeah, these are the ones. Burst of Mint, yes, and Mint to Sleep. Why am I doing it so slow? Girl, we can read. And look at that consistency. Ooh. It looks like a good time, if you know what I mean. I'm just like, no, I'm joking. But yeah, look at it. Y'all. And my skin glows throughout the whole day. That's another thing I love about it. And not like a glow where I have like glitter on me, but a glow as in like a natural radiance type of thing. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. And if you want more DIYs, definitely hit me up because I got you guys. But yeah, thank you guys for watching.